this stupid mine at it. Oh boy. Orange goo. Very cool. Well, look at this. Someone built these extravagant bridges so I don't need these chest waders that I decided to wear. Can also be glad that the water's not up to that level like it was probably in the winter time. Okay, we got rails up here. It is so difficult to walk in this tunnel. Okay. Pretty chilly in here. Okay, so we have this nice timber set here. Wow. This whole thing. And then it goes back a ways, it's timbered all the way through. See my buddy way up there. That's pretty cool. Just taking a second to admire the timbering in here. Nothing off that way. It's pretty drippy. Wow, look at this. That's a big timber. And there's a chute. This whole damn thing is timbered. Yeah, this is a little sketchy. Yikes. There's a chute smashed in there. Alright, we just came through that way. And we have a little winds here. Flooded, of course. And they had some sort of windlass or something over here, but it's kind of dismantled, it looks like. See the structure there, kind of. It's really drippy in there, so I don't want to stick my camera too much into that. Wow, this is disgusting. All right. The possibilities are endless here. We could go with nearly collapsing right drift or gooey, muddy left drift. Wow, another decision. Wow. This is surprisingly extensive, I will say. I'm gonna go down, follow Justin this way. A lot of water up here. Dead end. Alright, I'm gonna make my way past that with the camera off. Notice how they didn't timber any of this section because the rock's actually stable. It's pretty concerning over on the vein. We have timbered area, drift running off that way. That's a dead end.
I'm not going to do much of this, but it looks pretty good beyond this.
Okay, we just came over that collapse. And we still seem to be on some sort of secondary vein, maybe a crosscut. Looks like they're following that though. That vein is not as significant or wide as the main vein, so there's really no issues of collapse back here. I almost feel like we're looping around to the other stuff. Platform for storage. What is it?
Faces out, my friend.
Faces?
Faces and faces.
Maybe back out to the horrible, crumbly, yucky vein. Alright, that's the right branch that just faces out. And we're going to go down here first. Do the right hand rule for this one. Gosh. I'm gonna navigate over this. I'll pick up over there. Alright. Slogging along through the peanut butter. Taking this slow on purpose because I don't want any fun gases to sneak up on me. Ugh. Okay. Alright, I'll get around that bend. Alright, that tunnel is like waist deep full with mud. And after a very long day, I don't know if I want to do that. I can't even move. Oh. Alright, time to slowly goop our way through here. Oh my god. That's horrible. Oh, that has to be waist deep back there. I just hit like a past my knee section. Oh, well, I could finally stand up after that horrible section. That was horrible, God. I think I know where we are. Alright, on our way out, Justin realized that we missed this crazy raise going way up. What the heck? That's crazy. Wow. Timbered all the way through.